Brooke, they've got a lot of aircraft parked in the lot. Do you think these aircraft that they're selling to Ryanair are going out of the door at cost?
I would be very surprised if they are going out of the door at cost. I mean, typically when you see airplane orders of this size, you're already, seeing pretty significant discounts given the 20-month grounding of the MAX and just how badly Boeing needed a win here. I would have to imagine that Ryanair is getting a very, very good price on these jets, especially because they're looking to take 50 of these planes in 2021. Now, that will go a decent way to helping Boeing clear out the 450 MAX jets that it's built during the grounding but hasn't yet been able to deliver. But, just to take a step back, this is still a win for Boeing, and I think the key phrase here is that this is a firm order. If you remember last year at the Paris Air Show, Boeing did get a vote of confidence from IAG, but that, of course, was simply a letter of intent to buy MAX jets. And so having a firm order here at a time when many airlines are delaying their deliveries or even outright canceling them is certainly, a boost that Boeing badly needed.
So it's a twofold question. Are there other airlines that are going to want kind of the same deal? And is Boeing going to be able to give such a good deal to other airlines at this point?
I don't know if they really have a choice. I mean, I don't think that Boeing is in a position to really drive a hard bargain here. I think they're going to have to sell these planes on the terms that the airlines are willing to pay, quite frankly. And so, I would expect other airlines to command a similar type of deal that Ryanair did get. Now, I will say, this is a pretty sizable order. So for some of the smaller airlines looking to take smaller deliveries of the aircraft, you're not going to see quite as much of a discount, most likely. But, I just the price proposition for this airplane is not exactly what it once was.
Do you think Southwest is next?
It'll be interesting to see what happens with Southwest. So Bloomberg News has reported that Southwest is in talks with Boeing to take some of those 450 parked jets that are whitetails that have lost their buyers, but that is not necessarily, according to Bloomberg News, going to be an additional order that will be part of Southwest's existing order and just sort of repurposing some of those jets. So I don't know at this point if we should expect to see Southwest topping up its order in the way that Ryanair did. I mean, this airline is struggling along with a lot of carriers right now, and they've been pretty clear that they don't need a lot of additional new planes joining their fleet right now. They already still have some grounded. And so, I don't know that we're going to see necessarily a wave of airlines announcing orders along the lines of what we heard today from Ryanair. I think, a lot of these carriers are going to want to see some kind of recovery start to take place before they're willing to really expand their fleet.